What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's lesson we're drawing Lex Luthor from Superman. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the inside edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend this in and then up. Let's line up the bottom over on the right and do the same thing. Let's work our way across the bottom edge of the brow. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this up and then out. Let's curl this out and then down towards the ends. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting from the end, curve this up toward the top. Now let's follow this curve, coming in and then down. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyebrows. Starting on the left side, draw a circle going all the way around. And just pull that back up towards that bottom point. And draw that same size circle on the right. Now in the center, we're going to step in, draw two small black dots for the pupils. Let's move to the center, draw the bottom edge of the nose, starting on the left, curve this down, and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve going up and then down across the bridge of the nose. Now we move down again from the left side, curve the mouth, going across and then down. Add a bracket going around the corners of the mouth. Go back to the center, step down and add a short curve for the lower lip. Now from the outside of the eyes, let's step out and draw the lower half of the head. Start on the left. Come down, bend this in underneath the mouth, go across and then up. Now on either side, we're going to sink in the cheekbones with a curve coming in and then down. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to draw the top of the head. We're going to go up, around at the head, come across, down, and then in on the right. Now from these 2 points, we're going to draw on the ears. Let's go up, round up the ear, and then bend that in. And then along the top, let's add a fold, going up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Start over on the left, just underneath the head, then it's out and then down toward the hip. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Now from the hips, bend this down and then up in the center. From this point, draw a short line going up, and we'll open up the jacket, going out and then up toward the left and right side. Now over on the right side of that center line, add one circle for the button. Let's add the jacket collar. On the left side, draw a straight angled line coming down. Bend this down and back in toward that center line. And then we'll draw the top half of the collar. Stepping over, angle this up and out. Angle this up and then in. Let's add the shirt collar. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left, angle the collar coming down and out on both sides. Now we're going to step in, draw the knot of the tie coming in, flatten that off. Now from the corners, angle this down and then out. Now I'm going to go back to the center. Step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the middle, go to the left. We're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to curve the bottom of the feet. And we're going to start from the left heel, bend this down and then up towards the outside. Now on the left side, we're going to curve the foot going up. Bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Now just curl that back up toward the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. And bend this out and then down. Now we want to add a thick sole across the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw in the arms. We want to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So we're going to start right here, then the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, add a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and then up around that bracket. Let's go to the side. Add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the arm, pull that up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now I'm going to separate the cuff, starting from the top of the thumb, then it's up and then out. Step up and draw that same curve. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Lex Luthor from Superman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.